Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will come back with another video. I am Mike, this is TechAndroid. In this video I will be showing you how to create a clockwork mode or TWRP flashable zip file from your Android device. Without wasting further time, let's get started. First of all, open the Play Store app and search for ZipMe. After searching and finding the app, click on the app and download and install. I already downloaded the app, so I just open it. After opening the app, it requires the root access. For doing this, you just need a rooted Android device and grant the super user access for the ZipMe. As you see, the ZipMe app have granted the super user permission on my device. So at this point, you just create any flashable file from the app. For example, if you want to create a flashable app from your custom recovery, click on the plus button at the bottom of the ZipMe and click on apps. It just loaded your downloaded apps and also system apps. It requires so much time. After some time, all the apps are loaded. As you see, there is much apps installed on my device, and also this is downloaded apps and also system apps. Here there is, and just click on the app that you want to create a flashable zip that you can flash with your custom recovery. For example, I click on the Arcane Netcode and APK Editor Pro and click on Done at the top corner of the app. Then at this stage, click on App Only, because in this version the app class data is not supported. Click on App Only and click the Create button at the right corner of the app and click or choose the storage location. It's on my internal storage, and click on the file name and give whether the name that you want. Just say TechAndroid. After setting all the apps, just click on OK and press on Continue. After that, the app automatically creates and assigns the required apps to flash it using your custom recovery, either TWRP or clockwork mode. It requires some time. It's already finished and just signing, which means creating the me time for the apps. After the process completed, there was a green button called Success on the screen. To check whether it's created or not, open any file manager of your device I prefer the Z archiver, and scroll down on your internal storage and find the names that you give, and this is the file I created, and just click on view, and you see there is a data folder and also a signature called the meta-inf. The app does not create only the apps to flash on your custom recovery. It has so many features. For example, click on the plus button also and click system. In this location you can create a flashable backup of your system, font, build prop, current boot animation, the NHD, the BTbox, and also the host or AD-block files. And also you can manually create a flashable zip from your system file or folder. You can create for a single file, just press on the file and scroll down whether you want to flash, and also click on the folder option and choose the folder that you want to flash to your own custom recovery. This is all about today's video, and thanks for watching. I'll come back with another video. Thanks. If you like my video, please subscribe, like, and comment for helping me. Thank you.